Another session of analytical geometry. This is part 8. In this video, we are going to discuss few good questions on circles. In the diagram, circle with center W and a straight line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. The straight line again cuts the circle at V and Z. Circle touches the y-axis at G02. So the y-axis becomes a tangent. Now, what is our question? Determine the equation of the circle in the form x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. So we need the center and radius. G02 is a point on the y-axis, and again G is a point of contact. Y-axis becomes a tangent, and we know that WG is a radius. Radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. So the y-coordinate of G is 2 and y-coordinate of W also will be 2. That is our first information. Y-coordinate of W equal to 2. Now we are going to calculate the x-coordinate of W. What we do? We find that W lies on the straight line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Into that equation, we substitute y equal to 2. Then we solve for x. We get x equal to -5. So the coordinates of W is -5 and 2. What is our question? Write down the equation. What is our radius now? WG is the radius, which is 5 units. Therefore, r square is equal to 5 square 25. Equation of the circle now. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. We use the center and the radius. We write the equation x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 25. Question B. Calculate the gradient of GAZ. Nothing new. We have G, we have Z. We use the formula for the gradient and we substitute, simplify. We get, after substitution, you can use the calculator and get the answer. MGZ is 3. Question C. Write down the coordinates of the midpoint of GZ. Another simple question, midpoint formula from the formula sheet. Substitute and simplify. Midpoint is -half. Question D. Determine the equation of the line that is the perpendicular bisector of GZ. Perpendicular bisector of GZ. So perpendicular bisector is passing through the midpoint. So gradient is 3. Now gradient of the perpendicular will be -1/3. Passes through the midpoint. What is the midpoint here? -half. Therefore, equation of the perpendicular bisector is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. We modify that equation very carefully. We get the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Y equal to -1/3x plus 1/3. Another question from circles. M54 is the center of the circle. Y-axis touching the circle at N, and the circle intersects at 2 points A and B. PBL and SKL are tangents, and again SKL is parallel to the x-axis. What is our question? Write down the length of the radius of the circle. Okay, we have M54 and NM is a radius. So NM is equal to 5 units because NM is parallel to the x-axis. So MN is 5, that is the radius. Question B, write down the equation of the circle now. We have the radius and the center. So nothing new here. X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 25. Calculate the coordinates of A. We can see that A lies on the circle. MA is a radius. Let us consider A as x0 because A lies on the x-axis. The y coordinate is 0. Then we use the distance. What is the distance? MA is 5 units. It's a radius. So we are going to use the distance formula here. X minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square equal to 5 square, that is 25. Expanding the bracket, writing the standard form, factorizing. We get x equal to 8 or x equal to 2. You notice that there are two values for x, 8 or 2, and we looking at the diagram, we select x equal to 2, a sensible answer. So A is equal to, the coordinates of A are 2 and 0. Question D, if the coordinates of B are 8, 0, we have already obtained the two values of x, and A is 2, 0, now B is 8, 0. Calculate the gradient of MB. Okay, there is nothing new. We have the formula for the gradient. We get the gradient of MB is minus 4/3. Question E, or the second part. The equation of the tangent PB, equation of the tangent. Now the gradient of the radius is available. Now we have to calculate the gradient of the tangent. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So gradient of PB is going to be positive 3/4. And we use one point. What is the point? B80. Substitute into the formula and modify. We get y equal to 3/4x minus 6. Same diagram. Question E. Write down the equation of tangent SKL. We can see that SKL is parallel to x-axis. It is given in the question. So, if we know the y coordinates of S or K or L, we can immediately write the equation of SKL. Now, how to get the coordinates, y coordinate? From the x-axis to M, it is The y coordinate of m is 4, so it is 4 units. And from m to k, mk is the radius. So we have 5 units, that is the radius, and 4 units from the x-axis up to m. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. So the y coordinate of k is 9. Therefore, SKL is parallel to x-axis. Equation of SKL is y equal to 9. Question F. Show that L is the point 29. X coordinate is 20. Y coordinate is 9. Of course, the y coordinate of L must be 9 because L is on the line SKL. Now, we know that L is a point of intersection of the two lines. What are the two lines? PBL and SKL. Equation of PBL is already calculated. Y equal to 3 over 4x minus 6. Equation of SKL is now calculated. Y equal to 9. So we equate both. Okay, solving simultaneously. We get 3 over 4x minus 6 equal to 9. 3 over 4x equal to 15. For x is equal to 20. Therefore, the coordinates of L is 29. Okay. Question G. Calculate the length of ML. M is available. L is already calculated. So you can easily calculate using the distance formula. Substitute very carefully and use the calculator. ML is 5 root 10. Lastly, question H. Determine the equation of the circle passing through points K, L, and M. Very good question. We don't have the center of the circle. Circle is passing through K, L, and M. But we notice that MK is perpendicular to SKL because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, angle MKL is 90 degree, meaning ML is a diameter. So we get ML is a diameter and the length is 5 root 10. Therefore, what is the radius? Radius will be half of that diameter. 5 root 10 divided by 2. We need radius square. R square is calculated. 5 root 10 over 2 square, which is 62,5. Now we are looking for the center. Center will be in the middle of the diameter, middle point of ML. So we calculate the midpoint using M and L. We get 12,5 and 6,5. Now we can write the equation x minus 12,5 whole square plus y minus 6,5 whole square equal to r square. What is r square? 62,5. Okay, so that is a beautiful question. That is the end of part 8 of analytical geometry. We have done few good questions. Hope you understood the methods. Okay, watch again and again. Prepare very well for the exams. Good luck.